In today's world, it feels like everybody's running on a hamster wheel. We're constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and expectations. It's no wonder so many of us are feeling stressed and overwhelmed. But here's the thing, we don't have to live this way. We all have the power to find moments of peace and tranquility in our lives. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. We're going to explore 10 powerful relaxation techniques that can help you calm your mind, soothe your soul, and reclaim your inner peace. These are practices that have transformed my life, and I know they can make a world of difference for you too, whether you're struggling with anxiety, feeling burned out, or simply looking for ways to de-stress after a long day. These techniques can provide you with the tools you need to find a sense of balance and well-being. Are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Let's get started. We all breathe, right? It's the most natural thing in the world. But what if I told you that most of us aren't breathing correctly, especially when we're stressed? When we're anxious, our breaths become shallow and rapid, which only exacerbates our feelings of anxiety. That's where diaphragmatic breathing comes in. It's like a magic button for your nervous system. Here's how it works. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes and place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. Now, inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your stomach expand like a balloon. Hold that breath for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your stomach deflate. Repeat this for 5 to 10 minutes and feel the stress melt away. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind and body. You can do this anytime, anywhere, at your desk, in traffic, even before a big presentation. It's your secret weapon against stress. Have you ever noticed how stress can manifest in your body? Tight shoulders, a stiff neck, a clenched jaw, these are all signs that you're carrying tension. And if you don't address it, it can lead to chronic pain and discomfort. That's where progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR, comes in. It's a powerful technique that helps you identify and release tension in your muscles, leaving you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Here's how it's done. Find a quiet space where you can lie down comfortably. Starting with your toes, tense the muscles as tightly as you can for 5 seconds and then let go, feeling the tension melt away. Move slowly up your body, tensing and releasing each muscle group, your calves, thighs, buttocks, stomach, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, neck and face. As you do this, pay attention to the sensations in your body. Notice the difference between tension and relaxation. It's like giving yourself a mini massage from the inside out. Meditation. It's a word that conjures up images of monks sitting cross-legged in silent contemplation. But here's the thing. Meditation isn't just for spiritual seekers or yogis. It's a practice that anyone can benefit from, regardless of their beliefs or background. Think of meditation as a mental workout for your mind. Just like physical exercise strengthens your body, meditation strengthens your mind, improves your focus, and enhances your emotional well-being. There are many different types of meditation, from mindfulness meditation, where you focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment, to guided visualization, where you use your imagination to create peaceful and relaxing imagery. I encourage you to experiment with different types of meditation to find what resonates with you. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel more comfortable. And remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Chapter 4. Yoga, finding your flow, one breath at a time. Yoga is more than just a workout. It's a practice that connects your mind, body, and spirit. And the best part is, you don't have to be a contortionist to reap the benefits. Yoga is for everybody, and there are modifications for every pose. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, there's a style of yoga out there for you. For relaxation, I recommend gentle styles like Hatha yoga or restorative yoga. These practices focus on holding poses for longer periods, allowing you to sink deeper into the stretch and release tension. And don't forget about the power of your breath. In yoga, the breath is your anchor, helping you stay present and connected to your body. So roll out your mat, find your flow, and experience the transformative power of yoga. Chapter 5. Aromatherapy, sensational stress relief. You know, our sense of smell is incredibly powerful. It's directly connected to the limbic system, the part of our brain that controls our emotions and memories. That's why certain scents can evoke such strong feelings and memories, and that's where aromatherapy comes in. Aromatherapy uses essential oils, which are highly concentrated extracts from plants, to promote relaxation and well-being. Some of my favorite relaxing essential oils include lavender, known for its calming and sleep-promoting properties, chamomile, which eases anxiety and promotes relaxation, and eucalyptus, which clears the mind and promotes respiratory health. You can add a few drops of essential oil to a diffuser, add them to your bath water, or even apply them topically to your skin. Chapter 6. Journaling. Pour your heart out. Find your peace. Journaling, it's a simple yet powerful tool for self-discovery and stress relief. It's like having a conversation with yourself, a safe space to express your thoughts and feelings without judgment. You know, so many of us keep our emotions bottled up inside, but journaling allows us to release them in a healthy and cathartic way. Set aside some time each day, even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes, to write in your journal. Write about anything that comes to mind, your worries, your dreams, your gratitudes. Don't worry about grammar or punctuation. Just let your thoughts flow freely onto the page. Journaling can help you process your emotions, gain clarity, and develop a deeper understanding of yourself. Music, it has the power to transport us to another time and place, to evoke a wide range of emotions, from joy to sorrow, from excitement to tranquility. And when it comes to relaxation, music can be a powerful ally. Listening to calming and soothing music can help slow your heart rate, lower your blood pressure, and ease anxiety. Nature sounds, such as the gentle pitter-patter of rain, the crashing waves of the ocean, or the melodic songs of birds, can be incredibly calming and grounding. Classical music, with its intricate melodies and harmonies, can soothe the soul and quiet the mind. And then there are binaural beats, which are auditory illusions created by playing slightly different frequencies in each ear that can induce states of deep relaxation and meditation. Nature, it's our natural habitat, the source of life itself. And yet in today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves disconnected from the natural world. But did you know that spending time in nature has been scientifically proven to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost overall well-being? Take a walk in the park, hike in the woods, sit by a lake or river, or simply step outside and feel the sun on your face. Breathe in the fresh air, listen to the sounds of nature, and feel your worries melt away. Nature has a way of putting things into perspective, reminding us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. You know, touch is a fundamental human need. It's how we connect with others, how we show love and affection. And when it comes to relaxation, massage therapy is hard to beat. A good massage can work wonders for both your body and mind. It can relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, reduce stress hormones, and promote feelings of deep relaxation. There are many different types of massage, each with its unique benefits. Swedish massage is a gentle, full-body massage that's perfect for relaxation and stress relief. Deep tissue massage is a more vigorous massage that targets specific areas of tension. And hot stone massage uses smooth, heated stones to relax muscles and promote circulation. Gratitude, it's more than just a feeling, it's a way of life. When we focus on the good in our lives, when we appreciate the simple things, it shifts our perspective and allows us to experience greater joy and contentment. Gratitude is like a muscle. The more we use it, the stronger it becomes. Start each day by thinking of 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of coffee, a sunny day, or a phone call from a loved one. Write them down in a gratitude journal, or simply reflect on them in your mind. The more you focus on the good, the more good you'll find to be grateful for. So there you have it, 10 powerful relaxation techniques that can help you calm your mind, soothe your soul, and reclaim your inner peace. Remember, relaxation isn't a luxury, it's essential for your overall health and well-being. Just like you make time for exercise, for work, for your loved ones, make time for relaxation. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine, experiment with different approaches, and discover what works best for you. And remember, be patient with yourself. Relaxation is a journey, not a destination. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these relaxation techniques are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a community of support and inspiration as we embark on this journey of relaxation together.